The good part. Shitty part. Fucking believe that? Alrighty, so here we are. Gonna put on some rain guards. Get a little bit of BC protection out of your car. Who knew? So yeah, we got 4 of the guards. We got enough of the clips, and they don't come with alcohol wipes, so you're gonna probably want to have those. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is get these clips and pop them on, and they're gonna sit not flush but like that, and that's just so they actually do what they're supposed to do. Alright, now you're gonna get the windows down, and you're just gonna want to pull your window seal gasket, whatever the fuck they call it. Oh, come on now, one-handed, do it. And you're just gonna get that off the top there. Perfect. First try. They snap in just like that. Not seated flush. Oh, come on now. Perfect. First try. And you're gonna want to give your surface there a really nice alcohol clean to make sure you got none of the gross shit that won't stick. And just go ahead and get your surface nice and alcoholed. And I mean, they're pretty gross, so make sure that's good and clean. You're gonna try and peel off the back of the tape here. All right, and then we're gonna get these clips right on that thing that we cleaned off, line it all up, and make sure you don't have that stuck down so you can peel at it later. And there. Give it a good press along the top, heat it up a little bit with the heat gun, push it on, and then sticking this stuff back up on top isn't that difficult. You know, you just kind of shove it in the corner, and it's pretty good at getting back in its channel. Just keep pushing it till it fits, like so many other fucking things we do. There we go. All right. Pull out your window seal up at the top. Come on now. There we go. All right. There, stick that out of the way. Perfect. And once again, you're gonna get the corners up. Corners up on that as well. And I'm probably not gonna be able to do it with one hand, so we'll just cut to fucking victory! Oh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be okay. Alrighty. Just like that. 1, 2, clip here, clippy hoo. Alrighty. Be back at it. Get these things out of the top. Give this another alcohol-y hoo. And Robert's your father's brother, mate. Alrighty, there's another one. Lined up to the corners. Lined up to the edge of the door. And we'll do that one, hopefully. Hopefully better than the other side. Shit, son, do it right. Man, I feel like I'm holding the flashlight for my fucking self sometimes. Do better. You have one fucking job. The fuck would you do that? It ain't perfect, but it'll fucking do. Alrighty, well, there you have it. Another edition of Rex Park throwing on some rain guards on the 2015. Yeah, that was pretty easy. If it wasn't for fucking fiddly little shit that I can't do with my big hands. Tune in next time. We'll be doing something probably more interesting. Hope you guys have a kick-ass awesome day.